In today's video, I'm at a disabled citizen retirement complex because they are not in ADA compliance. They have got 28 days to get this corrected in order to pass their inspection. I also break down my conversation with the property manager that helps position me higher as a more reputable contractor during our conversation. So if your close rate is at 100% and you land every job that you get, don't watch this video until the end. But if you really want to learn something and you want some good sales technique strategies to glean from, watch this entire video. It's only 7 minutes long and it's going to help you make more money. Let's get to the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm bringing you along with me to look at this parking lot striping job. This call came in off of our Google My Business profile listing. And if you guys are interested in how we drive organic traffic, constant lead flow to our business every month, generating thousands and thousands of dollars from organic traffic, be sure to check out the How to Stripe course. It will be the first link in the pinned comment section and the description, where we teach you guys how to properly optimize a GMB profile for maximum results to drive organic traffic to your business, ultimately allowing you to go full-time faster by accumulating reoccurring work. Now what I'm gonna do is flip the camera around, talk to you about this job, and tell you why we got the call. Okay, so as you can see right here, this parking lot is in horrible condition. And we got this call because this is a senior citizen retirement center, and everybody that is in this parking lot is disabled. This is a disabled complex for handicapped seniors. And they are having an ADA inspection in a couple of weeks. We got the call because obviously, as you can tell, they are not in ADA compliance. Now, you can see for this being a senior citizen retirement center, it's problematic because it's not in code. All of this parking around this building is supposed to be handicap, compliance, and accessible. Not only that, but there's striping everywhere. I mean, there's lines right here, lines right there. Whoever has striped this in the past, they have obviously adjusted the layout without either grinding or washing up the previous layout before it. So there are stripes that are going everywhere. Now, they told us all they needed was to be in ADA compliance to pass their inspection. I came on site the other day to talk to the property owner, essentially the decision maker, who is going to determine the budget for this project. I got some free time. I came over here after the call and I had a conversation with her. And I just asked her straight up, what was the budget for this project? Because I am very busy and we are able to squeeze you in, but I don't have enough time to spend time going from job site to job site, wasting time, drafting up quotes, gas, so on and so forth, for jobs that people have no intention of giving me because I have a higher price. If you're looking to level up and cash in on some big ticket customers, then consider checking out the How to Stripe marketing pack, where people like Garrett that got $18,000 worth of work off of what he learned from the training said, "It's all good, bro, no worries. I've already made $18K this off season in the past month from using your marketing videos. I'm more than satisfied." Or like John that made $15K from the training. He said, "I've landed over $15,000 on 2 jobs in less than a week using the marketing technique you teach in your online course. I'm waiting to hear back from 4 more potential customers who got bids. I can't believe it. By far the cheapest, easiest, and best results I've got from advertising for my company. Thanks for making the course available." Or like Jamie that landed a $34,000 school district. He said, "I'm so happy. just got confirmed. I landed a $36,000 school job. I'm so happy. 7 schools in total starting sometime next week. And right now, we're doing a discount for the marketing pack. So if you send me a text message or an email letting me know that you've seen this video and want access to the marketing pack, we can get it to you. That way you can start leveling up and landing bigger customers. All right, let's get back to the video. She told me and was 100% honest with me and said that that is the process. They are required, since it is a government building, to get 3 quotes, and they always go with the cheapest contractor. Well, you guys know from watching my videos that I am not the cheapest guy. After she told me that, my response to her was, the reason why your parking lot is in such bad condition right now is because you guys have been going with the cheapest company. And to my surprise, she agreed. She agreed with that statement because she knows that this parking lot isn't in ADA compliance. I know it, she knows it, and the inspector that's going to be here in 28 days knows it as well. So, we were doing some residential seal coating today, and I wanted to come back and get a better look at the property because they said, even though I'm going to be the most expensive guy, they said they want to go with a company that is reputable and going to make sure that it's done right. Because the last thing these people want to do is pay a contractor $4 grand to come out here and do it wrong and fail their inspection, which we come out here, it's going to be done right. There is signage that needs to be installed everywhere on this property. And if you guys are interested in learning more about ADA, signage, access aisles, parking, be sure to check out the How to Stripe course. It'll be the first link in the pinned comment section and the description where you can learn all about that. That way you can pull up on these parking lots that are not in ADA compliant code and upsell the customer on that. Now, a lot of people say that there are no inspectors aren't going around finding people about code compliance and so on and so forth. That is not true. We have that in Oklahoma. This facility is getting an inspection, I think, in 28 days. That's why they have a limited amount of time to get the problem fixed. And we're the company that is going to fix the problem. So just be sure that when you're on these parking lot striping jobs, really essentially it's detachment from the sale, okay? If you come in from a desperate position, right? Like if you come in from a very desperate position and you seem overly eager or overly desperate or too emotionally attached to the project, then they're gonna kind of think something's up with that. Whereas if you just pull up on this parking lot, I mean, it's not hard for me to be emotionally detached from this parking lot because we are so busy. And that's what I'm saying. I told them from the very beginning, I don't have time to waste around driving around giving quotes if you guys aren't gonna go with this. If you wanna go with this, great. I'm gonna be a little bit higher, but it's gonna be done right. And they respected that. So anyways, guys, just wanted to check in with you real quick. We are having a very, very busy season. We're doing a bunch of crack filling, seal coating, and striping. We're in the middle of the season, and we're booked out for weeks, and it just still keeps coming in. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.